welcome back to my channel, Sky Lexis. Tada! The sunshine is here. I'm so happy. Tada! Shine, 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 shine. Oh dear me, guys. Here we go, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Sky Lexis. Tada! We're here now to have a chikahan. We have a chika minute right now. So last week we tackled the finest China, and now we have to tackle about Pugong Biyahero and also the other sponsorship, that lady, Mama Beth, that's what they called her. So yeah, we're gonna tackle that one as well, guys. And also we're gonna tackle as well about Bini Blanco, about the Jollibee. Guys, did you watch that one in TikTok? So yeah, we have a lots of discussion as well. Okay, so so we have to step by step to tackle about the issue. So yung iba na hindi pa nakakilala sa Pugong Biyahero, yung kanila, yung content nila is yung mga katutubo na may yung mga sobrang hirap, pinupunta nila sa bundok at binibigyan nila ng mga bahay, yung deserving na binibigyan nila ng bahay. Okay, guys, so that is the Pugong Biyahero. And aside from that, and also this Mama Beth is the one of the sponsor of Pugong Biyahero. So she give the package to Sir Paul, the Pugong Biyahero. Okay, so she's the owner of that YouTube channel, the Pugong Biyahero. So this is what really happened, guys. And this is my opinions and my reaction video of this. Okay, guys. Actually, guys, I think there's a misunderstanding to both sides as well, and also I'm not on side of Pugong Biyahero, and I'm not on the side of Mama Beth, okay? Because I'm only in the neutral, and also just balance natin kung ano talaga, sino ba ang may kasalanan, or they have someone to blame, or who will be to blame, okay? So based in what I've see, both parties, Pugong Biyahero, nag-live din sila, nag-explain, as also si Mama Beth. So this is what really happened, guys, okay? Char. Chismosa. Chika minute muna tayo, guys, okay? So the chika minute is, this is it. You have to start, okay? For Pugong Biyahero, I think they explain they are so angry and mad and feel embarrassed. Parang nasaktan sila kasi nga daw pinagbintangan silang magnanakaw. Oh, that's really not good, okay? So yeah, so that's what he said, na ibalik na lang nila yung package kay Mama Beth. But in terms to Mama Beth, kasi siya yung grabe talaga, guys, kasi viral talaga siya, kasi if you watch YouTube, lagi talaga nandoon si Mama Beth, kasi yun nandoon lagi. So wow, siya a bit confused, a bit curious, not just curious about what is this going on for Pugong Biyahero, because I watch Pugong Biyahero and I'm so amazed because they have a good, they have good content. They're helping poor people, and and they're giving to those people a chance, yung binibigyan nila mga scholarship, and yung walang-wala talaga, at least sila may mga helping hand na yun, binibigyan nila ng bahay. So yeah, I think that's just a misunderstanding to both parties. I think the mistake of that is that I think ang gusto lang siguro ni Mama Beth is to acknowledge kung nandoon na ba yung package. Kasi for how many months now, package, it takes time, 3 months, 4 months, if you're all over the world, right, guys? It really takes months to arrive the package. So kasi nga si Pugong Biyahero, sa dami kasi sa dami ng ginagawa nila, busy sila, so yung mga package kumbaga nagkaganon-ganon na. At saka in terms of message na ina-accuse kasi nag-message ka, walang reply or whatsoever, I think siguro nga, 'di ba, kasi nga pag hindi magkaganyan-ganyan na yan, 'di ba, mga messages. So I think if they talk it nicely, if they do the therapeutic communication to both parties, I think it will be reconciled, and it will not be lead to be like this, okay? In terms to Mama Beth, I think the only thing that the downside is that just be patient, I think, they will not, you know, kasi pinunanahan na kasi niya eh, kasi nga, I understand his side, kasi nga daw, pinaghirapan niya yan. Yeah, that's good, but to think that ibibigay mo yan, di ba? You give it heartedly, so you don't need to like say na, oh, baka ninakawan or whatsoever. As Pugong Biyahero said na hindi pa nila nakita kasi nga sa busy sila. So I think I think the right timing na hindi sila nagkasundo at nagka-misunderstanding kahit say nga daw na-receive na but na hindi pa naibigay. Kasi hindi talaga basta-basta, lalo na nandun ka sa bundok, mahirap. And this is it, if you give things, you don't need to say that, oh, binigyan kita or like that. I think if you give, it's up to them. But the good lesson thing is that if you give, just to emphasize where you gonna give it to the person, or you have to say like, oh, Pugong Biyahero, just give it to those people, the one that like example Jessica, just give it to her this package. So you need to indicate so that they can give it. If you nagdududa ka, so you need to indicate that package that this is for this person, okay? Kasi mahirap kasi pag ganun eh, like this one, supposed to be is only small things, but it's really big things happening because of misunderstanding, and yung sa iba na side, yung Pugong Biyahero, nasaktan din sila kasi nakyusahan, and ito napagbitaw din sila ng masamang mga things, at saka yun na-open din si Mama Beth. So really things. So I've learned, I think, if you've been a sponsor, I think take it heartedly and emphasize it that you give in that one. So wag na ka manumbat if you give. But for me, if you really just give it to your kamag-anak, just to make it sure, para hindi ka magduda or everything, just make it sure. Help your background first. Kung sino yung naghirap, so those the one to help it. So bonus na lang yan, like Pugong Biyahero, bonus na lang yan kung magbigay kayo or whatsoever, at least, diba? But sa yung kamag-anak, just focus it and give it. Kung wala naman kayong kamag-anak, then that's a big thing. Then give it to Pugong Biyahero. So Pugong Biyahero as well is just make it sure that you have assigned people na yung sa mga messages. I think there is, diba, yung sinabi nga nila mayroon, pero kaya lang is busy sila. But in particular with that, like lalo na sa mga sponsorship, kailangan talaga na be mindful kayo na yung, alam mo yun, yung para ma-receive nila na, ay, okay, nakarating na. So, parang paano sila ba, patawag nito yung, okay na sila ba na, okay na, receive na. So, because, like that to Mama Beth, hindi lang niya kasi, na-receive na, pero walang nagka-confirm. So, yun ang talagang nag-clash. So, yun. So, kaya yun, nakapagbitiw sila ng masasamang words, and then yun, sabog ang lahat. So, kaya guys, learn. Ang hirap talaga guys, no? Kahit us, like a small content creator, but you know, pag mga malalaki na talaga, there's a lot na hindi mo talaga ma-please everyone, okay? That's the thing. You can never be pleased anyone. Char. So, yan ang reaction ko to Mama Beth. Kung magdududo ka, just make it sure, give a good instruction na ito yun, para alam mo kung saan ibibigay yan, para hindi ka magdududa. Or next time, if you didn't, give it to your kamag-anak, okay? So, Pugong Biyahero, I think I can advise is just make it sure na damihan yun pa ng tao, na yung especially sa mga sponsorship, para ma-solve ninyo ng diretso, para kung may magsabi na na-receive na ba, yan, that's it. Para wala nang iwas aberya, okay? And because sponsor is really, they will think as well that you know, that acknowledgement lang ba. So that's maybe. So because naghirap din sila sa ganyang pera na binigay, so yeah. So I think that's the only thing, the acknowledgement. So kailangan i-confirm kung na-receive na, okay, i-assure ninyo yung sponsorship na yes, don't worry, na-receive na namin, na ganun-ganun, okay? Para wala nang misunderstanding, etc. So yun, I hope sana yung both parties magkaayos, okay? Char. And another taco guys, so we are already that one to Pugong Biyahero and also Mama Beth. So end of discussion, char. So yes guys, I'm gonna Chacol as well. The one is Benny Blanco, is one of the producer or singer. I think it's one of the boyfriend. One of the boyfriend. It's a new boyfriend of Selena Gomez, which, di ba, napanood nyo sa TikTok guys, nagkuhan siya ng yung sa Jollibee, nag-reaction siya sa food, tapos yung, alam mo yan guys, yung nakaka-insult, like, you know, it's our food, and, you know, if, ang sa akin lang is respect. For Benny Blanco, just respect. Okay? That's it. Even if you're big or you're rich, but still, be humble, and, you know, ikuan mo yung pagkain, irespeto mo din. Yes, that's why I say, because, yun nga guys, kung napanood nyo yun, yung guys nyo na kumain siya, na tinawag na yung chicken daw, is smells bad, yung adobo with the chicken, sinabi niya smells bad daw, and then, yung kumain siya ng spaghetti, binuraan niya, sinukan niya, tapos, ew, diba guys, nakaka-insulto, oh my god, Jollibee is Jollibee. Yan ang mga bata pag, oh sige, pag papawala yan ng depressed kasi, pero sige, tara, Jollibee tayo, tara, kain, diba? As a Filipino culture, that's the way they cook the spaghetti as well. Like, sweets talaga siya, compare sa Italian na maasim kasi tomato Sa atin is banana ketchup, it is sweets. So that's why, yung kan kasi, yung mga foreign kasi, some, like Benny Blanco, kasi nga, di ba, rich sila, so they don't know. So, that's why they think that they are the boss, the superior, but no, you're not. Always respect what you are being, okay? So, respect our food in every culture. Kasi nga, di ba, kung ayaw mo, di wag mo na yung sa idura or sa iyo. Because, you know, a lot of people are hunger, na nagugutom. And then you just only wasting a lot of food. Better you give it. You can cut it and you'll not include it on the video, okay? But yeah, so that's all I comment for Benny Blanco, which is very, very, for me as a Filipino, I feel sad, not embarrassed. I feel sad because yung food ay ginanyan, okay? Char. So yes guys, I hope, comment down below guys what's your reaction about the Benny Blanco regarding the video that she did in TikTok, okay? So yeah, that's it. Our food is the best in all over the world. Filipino is the best. Okay? Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video right now, and I hope you enjoy our little chikahan, okay? Until next time, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel Scarlexus. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Until next time, bye!